To honor an invoice, click on the Action button next to the invoice via the Invoice tab, and click on Accept Invoice. This brings up a dialog box for you to enter the details of your payment. Enter the amount paid. Select the file type of your proof of payment and upload the document. Type a summary of your payment and click on Accept and Send Receipt. The invoice has been paid and proof of payment uploaded. The total amount paid status bar will reflect the amount paid, as well as the processing status bar. This invoice will bear a processing status until it has been checked and verified by the school. When you switch to the Overview tab, you will find the invoice still bearing the processing status. The owing balance will still have the amount of the invoice on it until the invoice has been verified by the school. Once the invoice has been verified, the amount will be deducted from your owing balance. The status on the invoice also changes to completed on the invoices received. When you switch to the Invoices tab, you can also see that the status has changed to completed across the All and Completed tabs. You can view the details of the invoice when you click on the Actions button. Here, you will see the details of the invoice and the status of the invoice. You can also expand the receipt you attached if you wish to view it. Remember to always view the details of an invoice before making payment. This is necessary to be sure if it is a payment you wish to make or not. And that is how to honor an invoice on the Parents app. Good job!